Hello guys, this is Umesh Mali. Welcome to my channel An Engineer's Guide. So guys, in this session we will learn one more Excel technique. So guys, before moving forward, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which will be free for you but will give me a lot of motivation to create such useful videos for you. So guys, in this session we will learn how to do shape formatting in effective way. So guys, while performing an engineering calculation, most of the times you have to draw the diagram, you have to draw the shapes, you have to dimension those shapes, and it takes a lot of time. So I will tell you some effective techniques to save your time in this session. So guys, here on the screen you can see one vessel which have shell and head, and now I have dimensioned this, but here you can see the dimensions are too much bigger. Arrow size is too much. Now my boss wants that the size of arrow should be smaller one. For that I will go here, I will select some another arrow size. But if I'm going to do this task in such a way, then it will take a lot of time and will result in a delayed in a calculation. So in this session, I will tell you one shortcut technique to dimension. So just go to the home, just go to the home tab. Now just go to the find and select. Now go to selection pane. Here, here you can see, just press the control and select the arrows one by one. Now you can change size of all the arrows in one shot. Now my boss wants to change the color of the arrows also. So now here from here I can change the color of arrows also. And also this is not only related to arrows, you can play with another shapes also. So here you can see the straight collector. Now I want to change the straight collector. Just select by control. Remember, you have to select by pressing control, not by shift. I have to change the shape of color connector. So this is how you can play. Now you have to change the color shape of that D shade. So guys, this is how you can draw the shapes very easily. Hope guys you have got some value from this video. So keep supporting, keep sharing and our videos to your friends. So hope you got some value from this video. So please keep supporting and keep sharing our videos. Thank you.